All right, let's start talking about factor trees. We've been practicing a little bit with what numbers go into other numbers. So let's see if we can see what numbers go into the following two numbers, 24 and 36. And it really doesn't matter which way you do them, but we're going to choose just some easy options that we often think of when we first go to these two numbers. Let's start with 24. I think we can think of a couple of numbers that multiply to make 24. Let's start with 4. Here's 4 times 6. So I'm going to put a little multiplication sign in there just to remind you that those two numbers are multiplied to make 24. Also, we can break down the 4 into two smaller numbers, two numbers that go into 4, which is 2 times 2. Well, my writing is a little sloppy. Let's go to 6. I think we can do 2 times 3. And then finally, let's move over to 36. Let's take the easiest two options, which is 4 times 9. Could be 6 times 6 as well, but 4 times 9 works just as well. 3 times 12 works as well. Lots of options, 2 times 18. But these are easy to break down into the tree I've already drawn. So let's go down to 4 and go 2, again, times 2. And 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3. Now, at this point, we've got all our factor trees done for 24 and 36. And let's find out which common factors occur in both lists. Is there a 2 in both lists? And the answer is yes. So I'm going to put a line through it like this. And I'm going to write up here 2 times. Is there another? I'm going to cross out the other 2 as well first. Now let's look at another number that's lists in both lists at the bottom. Is there another 2 that's on both lists? Yes, there is, right there. I'm going to cross that out like this. So I'm going to put 2 up here as well. And any other numbers that occur in both lists. You see a 2 here on this side, but you don't see a 2 on the other side. So that one doesn't work. But we can see 3 here. So we're going to cross out the 3 and cross out another 3. And then we can multiply 2 times 2 times 3 at the top. Now there's a 3 here, but no more 3's over there. So now our common factor is established. We have 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. So our factor trees have generated our greatest common factor for both numbers, which is 12.